Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to do a little quick video and audio comparison between the Canon G7x Mark II and the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I'm inside right now, and this is the audio from the Canon G7x Mark II. How does that sound? Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's move on to the GoPro Hero 8 on the inside. Now I am using the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is inside the house. How does the audio sound on this one? And the video, since we're comparing the two, this GoPro Hero 8 Black and the Canon G7x Mark II. How does this audio sound? Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, should sound pretty good since it is just on the inside, no other exterior noises. So let's go outside now and we'll test both those cameras outside. Right now I am using the GoPro Hero 8 Black, standing behind the camera. How does the audio sound on this? I am now on the GoPro Hero 8 Black still. How's the audio sound outside? We'll take a little quick walk around the backyard, do a little audio test. And how does the video look too? Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. There are the plum trees. There's another plum tree on the outside of the fence. And of course, the persimmons tree. All right, let's get to the Canon G7x Mark II and try that one. And now I am using the Canon G7x Mark II, standing behind the camera. How does the video compare to the GoPro Hero 8 Black? Please let me know what you think between the two in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. Under the maple tree, how does the audio sound? What do you think of the video compared again to the GoPro Hero 8? And again, two plum trees, Italian plum trees, and the persimmons tree right there, and then the other plum tree on the outside the fence. Back inside, so what did you think between the two, the Canon G7x Mark II and the GoPro Hero 8 Black? Leave comments below. Let me know what you think between the two, the audio and the video. Might start taking GoPro Hero 8 Black out a little more. It's a little smaller, a little more inconspicuous if I'm out vlogging and there's a bunch of people around, so I might test that out. Let me know what you think. And I hope you like this video. Hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be sure and upload more videos this year, like I said. Thank you again, and I'll see you soon.